Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a long time since I've actually sat down and filmed. I think it's been over a month, and I do plan on having a video come out probably like in the next week or so explaining what's going on, because I do think it's important that I just kind of talk to you guys about it. But today I really wanted to sit down, play with a little bit of makeup, and do a PR unboxing with some new goodies that I've gotten in the mail. I have a ton of stuff because I haven't been filming my mail haul Mondays, and I've missed them, and I've missed playing with makeup. And so yeah, we're just going to go through a couple of the boxes and get back to filming. So I'm really excited. Make sure you click the subscribe button down below, and let's dive in. So the very first package that we have actually came from Huda Beauty. You guys know how much I love Huda products, and I'm very excited to see what they sent over. It looks like these are the Melted Shadows. As you guys know, these are like my favorite liquid eyeshadows. They're actually the liquid eyeshadows that made me even like liquid eyeshadows. I know so many people have liked the Stila ones, but I don't know. I just never loved those until I discovered the Huda one. So let's go ahead and swatch these. These colors look so up my alley. These colors look like they're right up my alley, and definitely colors that I would love to do like a Valentine's Day look with. So the first one is Request Line and Slow Jams. So Slow Jams is the glitter part, and these are like my favorite to put on the eyes. Oh, you know what? Let's hope this goes good, because I don't have a mirror. You know what? I have a mirror. Hold on. Just kidding. It's on the floor. It's currently on the floor because I kind of rearranged my setup. I don't know if this is what is going to be permanent, but you can definitely see everything in front of me. So I was trying to do away with that. Oh gosh, I swear these things turn an eyeshadow look just into something else. Like, my eyes didn't even look this good until I put this on. So yeah, that one is Slow Jams. Now they also have a coordinating color that goes with it, and I actually haven't really used these. They are super creamy, so I do want to play around with them and just see how they blend and buff out on the eyes. But like, the main star of the show is definitely the glitter. That is the first one. The next one we have is Cashmere Robe and Penthouse Suite. I'm going to swatch the glitter ones first. It's just basically like a champagne with like a mauve brown undertone. And here's the coordinating color. Very like, what is that MAC? It's a MAC lipstick. I think it was called Sepia or something. That's what it reminds me of, or Sepia. Then we have Diamond Drip and French Lace. And this is going to be a pinky. But yeah, if there was like one thing that I would suggest to look at from Huda Beauty, which I do love all of her stuff. I have currently her concealer on and her powder and a few other products, but these are like my favorite product. Did I miss a spot in my inner eye? Okay, this one is Hella Honey and Cinnamon Toast. There's that color. And then here is the coordinating color. If you guys want like a full video of all the colors, and even if I actually do them on my eyes, let me know and I can do that. Million Dollar Deals and VI Pink. Ooh, yes. This is definitely like a berry undertone. So pretty. Yeah, looking at these, like, these are all definitely colors that are up my color story. So I definitely want to play around with just the, like, I don't want to say plain colors, but you know what I mean. These like matte cream colors. And a big thank you to Huda Beauty for sending that over. You know what I also want to do, you guys? I really want to sit down and chat about some of the newest makeup releases. There's some really cool things that have been coming out recently that have me inspired that I definitely want to look into ordering. One of them is even like the new Makeup Geek launch. I don't know. I have a lot of Makeup Geek eyeshadows, but I think just like the packaging and like the new shape and everything has me wanting to order them, even though they're just like plain eyeshadows, I guess, like normal mattes. Next package came from ColourPop. Ooh, it says Luxe Velvet Soft, Light, Fluffy, and Airy. And I actually have no idea what this is, but it's like in this very different packaging from what I normally see from ColourPop. What does this remind y'all of? It reminds me of like, I don't know, maybe like paintball or something. Ooh. Wow. Okay. So this is the ColourPop Luxe Velvet, And I think these are liquid lipstick and lipstick duos. Very exciting. And they all have like coordinating colors. This is so freaking cute. Let's just look at one. So this is Lofty Goals. And I'm not going to swatch these because, ooh, I might actually do a giveaway with some of them. I want to start incorporating giveaways and like unboxings with stuff that I'm not going to keep. That way I can go ahead and send it out to you guys. But here are these. So these are like 2 different liquid lipstick colors. This one is called Hazy Baby. And then these are, ooh, like 2 darker colors. You know what I just thought about? Is this like the Luxe formula but in a different packaging? Because if so, if it's the formula that I'm thinking it is, this is like one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas. I have this one that I've used like over and over and over again. Then we have Powder Room, which are really pretty like nudes. So thank you so much to ColourPop for that package. And they actually sent over another package, which I'm going to open next. Okay, so here is the next ColourPop package. And I'm thinking that this is actually their Valentine's Day collection. I haven't opened any of this stuff, so let's see. Oh, okay, I guess they're starting to do this packaging. It's very different from their, okay, man down. Ugh. Okay, let's see what we have here. I didn't realize, oh my gosh, there is a lot of stuff in here. Okay, first thing that we have is the Hustla Cream Gel Color, which is a cream gel eyeliner. We have the Tender Love and Care, and this is the mini Just a Tint set, which I think is either like lip tints or maybe cheek tints. We have a beautiful pair of fake lashes. Oh, this is so cute. And they name them Bay. Okay, the next thing that we have is the Soul Face and Body Highlight. I definitely want to swatch this because I haven't swatched their highlights before. I don't own any of them. Ooh, but this is a really pretty pink color. Dang, look at that glow. Super pretty. Oh, this is definitely what I'm the most interested in. I love ColourPop's eyeshadow palettes. They are my all-time favorite. As you guys know, I did actually go, or maybe you don't know, I went on a trip for my birthday back in January, and like the only eyeshadow palette I took was ColourPop. Yes, please. I want to incorporate this with the Huda Beauty eyeshadows because I think that would be so pretty. Let me swatch some of these. Glitters. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Very, very pretty. We already know these are going to be pigmented because ColourPop shadows are just always the bomb. And that palette is called All That by ColourPop. And again, I think this is their Valentine's Day collection. We have something that's really heavy. Okay, this is the Shimmering Dry Oil in Soft Pink by Soul, which I know is like ColourPop's like sister brand or like baby brand. I don't know exactly what you call it. This looks really pretty. We have a liquid liner and a cream gel liner. And then lastly, I think this is going to be some glitter. Ooh, yes. This is the Mini Trio Better Together So Obsessed. I think this is just body glitter. So thank you so much to ColourPop for that package. Next thing we have actually came from Too Faced. And I'm not going to lie, I did take a sneak peek at this because I haven't gotten anything from Too Faced in just a little bit. And I'm like, ooh, what did they come up with? Okay, so, oh, there's more. I missed it. Ooh. Okay, I think that's everything. All right, so the first thing that they came out with is the Hangover Wash the Day Away Pore Purifying Gentle Face Cleanser. And I'm really excited for this. I do really enjoy the Hangover line by Too Faced, and I do like the packaging. It's just like a squeeze tube packaging. They also came out with the Hangover Pillow Cream, which is an ultra nourishing night cream infused with mineral rich stardust. And sometimes they have really like cool looking products. Oh, I knew this was going to be awesome looking. So this is just like a lavender type night gel. Oh, and it's thick. It kind of, it smells really good, but the thickness reminds me of, oh, it gives you like a really pretty sheen too. If you can see where I put it on, like right there in the middle. The thickness reminds me of the Charlotte Tilbury, I think it's like a Miracle Cream. Like it's that type of thickness, which I really enjoy, especially in the winter when I'm pretty dry. And then lastly, we have the Hangover RX Pillow Balm, which is a ultra hydrating and nourishing lip treatment. I wonder if this is just like a lip balm or like a gloss. Ooh. Here's what it looks like. It definitely feels like pretty thick. It almost feels like a lip gloss though. So I actually have to try that on my lips and keep you guys updated. They also sent this package over right here, which I have not opened. Ooh. What a nice surprise. I'm so excited to be digging into this stuff. Like, definitely, I'm going to try to do some first impression makeup tutorials because there's just so many new things and I'm excited to share them with you guys. So these are the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme, which I don't know if that's good or bad that it's extreme because, like, I don't want it to burn. I know those things kind of tingle on your lips, but here's what they look like, and they have like different colors. So we have this pink color, which is called Bubblegum Yum. And then we have this Strawberry Kiss, the Tangerine Dream. We have the Pink Punch. And then lastly, we have just like the normal clear one. So thank you so much to Too Faced for that package. And then the last package we're going to open today, because like I said, this is like a shorter mail haul. I'm trying to get back into the groove of things, is from Benefit Club Pink. And I did have this at my house for like a week. And then I could not wait any longer. I did get curious, so I went ahead and opened it. But I did become, I don't know if you want to say a member, but like I was selected to work with Benefit for PR, which is so exciting because I do love Benefit products. I have their Professional on my face right now. And you guys, they sent over so much stuff. I am like in shock still. We have some of their blushes. We have the Hoola bronzer, which is like a cult favorite. We have different brow products. We have mascaras. We have highlighters, more highlighters, blushes. So a big thank you to Benefit for sending this over. I'm so excited to, you know, I guess hopefully receive PR from them in the future and keep you guys updated on new releases. And yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. I miss you guys so much. Like I said, I'll talk about things a little bit more in another video coming up, but I'm glad to be sitting down and chatting with you guys. Let me know what you've been up to in the comments below. And thank you so much for tuning in, watching, and I will see you in my next video coming up. Mwah.